Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you a React Canva clone that I developed using the uh, Polotno SDK. So as you can see, I am running this application on localhost 3000. If you don't know about this SDK, Polotno, it's a famous SDK for building out graphical applications. So if you just search for this is their official website, and I have used this. I've integrated their editor to build out a complete coding application. So this is actually a React.js project here. You can see these are all the source code files. If you need the full source code, the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase it. After purchasing it, you will get this zip file. And these are all the source code files inside React.js. You can even add additional features as well. So let me just go through the application. So once you load this, you will basically add additional pages as well, like this. As you can see, you can change the canvas color, just select solid color. We have the ability to add icons, text, everything you can add there. It's a complete Canva clone. All the features are available for you. You can even integrate your own icons as well. You can even add your own images as well. So simply select whatever image that you want to add here. You can adjust the size of the image like this. So you can just see, you can add elements, remove elements. So you can basically remove elements by clicking the remove, and then you can add your own images. Then we have the ability to add your text as well. So it makes it very much easy for adding your text. Then we also have the export functionality. So if you do need to export this to an image file, click the download PNG button. So here you can make your thumbnails. You can even export this to PDF as well. So as you can see, it will export this to a PDF file as well. So all these features are available. You can also export this to a HTML GIF file. All these export options are available. So we have used this in Polotno SDK inside React.js for building this Canva clone. If you do need the source code of this, the link is given. You can directly purchase it. This is the full directory structure of the React.js project. As you can see, the application is divided into multiple components here. This is for download button, file menu, subscription model, top bar. These are various sections of this application. And once you download the source code, it's very easy. You simply need to have Node.js installed. After that, simply say npm run start. So this will start your application locally at localhost 3000, and you will also be able to deploy this application as well. It's very simple. So it will actually start your application at localhost 3000, and you also have various templates as well. You can individually select whatever template that you want to edit. You can edit the text of the template. If you don't like the color, you can even change the color. You can customize all these templates to make your social media graphics very easily. You can replace the image as well. You can apply effects as well, different kinds of effects, blur, brightness, everything are there. And we also have the option to animate the text as well. So if you click animate, you can basically rotate the text and then click. So all these features are available. The photographs are powered by Unsplash API. It is coming through icons as well, icon finder. So various kinds of APIs are integrated inside this project. And here you can select your own images as well. So if you want to remove this, just put your own image right here. You can even do that as well. So it's very easy. So definitely check out this Canva clone editor. The link is given in the description. You can purchase the source code.